In our last video, we introduced the NeuroCoach program and how it works. Now let's take a closer look at what's actually happening inside the brain during training. A core principle behind the NeuroCoach program is that we're working to bring 5 key brain networks into balance. This goal applies whether we're addressing development, repair, or enhancement. Those 5 networks are the Frontoparietal Network, the Cingulo-Opercular Network, the Salience Network, the Working Memory Network, and the Default Mode Network. Now, unless you're a doctor or a neuroscientist, you probably aren't too familiar with these specific networks, and that's completely okay. You don't need to memorize them or understand all the science behind each one. The main thing you need to know is that our program is designed to balance the brain, so that each of these networks is operating at its best. But let's give you a quick overview so you have a general idea of what each one does. The frontoparietal network is involved in higher-level thinking. It helps with things like planning, reasoning, and adapting to new situations. Think of it as the brain's problem-solving center. The Cingulo-Opercular Network plays a big role in executive control. It helps the brain stay alert and focused over time, and it supports the ability to follow through on goals. This is the network that helps you stay on task even when things get challenging. The Salience Network acts like a filter. It detects and sorts through all the information coming in, both from the outside world and from within, and directs your attention to what matters most. Without this network working well, it's hard to prioritize or focus on the right things. The Working Memory Network is your mental workspace. It temporarily holds and manipulates information so you can stay focused, solve problems, and make decisions in the moment. It's what allows you to keep track of multiple things at once. And finally, the Default Mode Network. This one is active when you're not focused on a specific task. It supports self-reflection, planning for the future, recalling memories, fostering creativity, and building self-awareness. It's the network that helps your mind organize and process information in the background. So how does the NeuroCoach program work with these networks? As clients go through their brain training sessions, they're wearing an EEG cap that monitors their brainwave activity in real time. The program is designed to encourage the brain to operate in its peak performance range, not too high and not too low. Over time, with consistent training, the brain learns to stay in that balanced range more naturally. When these 5 networks are functioning in balance, the brain operates more efficiently across every domain: attention, memory, emotional regulation, decision-making, and resilience under stress. Many clients notice that as their brain improves, therapy, counseling, and other treatment approaches also become more effective. The cognitive foundation is stronger, so everything else builds on top of it more easily. In other words, life just works better. In the next video, we'll walk through the steps a client takes from start to finish. See you there.